after having a discussion about the surds, that is pure surd, then the mixed surds, then how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the surds, I want to tell you an important, very useful component which help you in all classes, that is the new term that is known as rationalization. Rationalization is like this, that is rationalization. Question is, what is rationalization and why it is needed? If I ask a question to you that cube root of 2 is what? You will say it is a surd. What kind of surd? Pure surd. Now, if I am looking for such a number which when multiplied this makes this surd as the rational number, it means I am asking you a very simplest form of another surd which when multiplied with the surd, the given surd makes this as a rational number. So this kind of searching of numbers or irrational numbers is known as the rationalization. Now the question is, how to trace such number? You know, order of surd is what? 3. Order of this surd is 3. Order of given surd is what? 3. And radicand, or you can say base, the radicand is what? 2. The radicand is 2, the base is 2 and order is 3. So it means that what is the least number which when multiplied by cube root of 2 make this as free from roots, free from cube root, or gives the rational number. So if it is 3, then there must be how many 2's? 3 2's, because order is 3. So I want how many 2's? I want 2 more 2's because 1 is already present in my surd. So if I say when cube root of 2 is multiplied by cube root of 2 into 2, are you going to understand it? Yes. How? It is cube root of 2, this is the given surd. I am telling you that multiplication, division, addition, subtraction is possible only and only if order of surds is same. Now order of this surd is 3, so order of next surd which I want to multiply is also 3. In case of this, order of both surds is 3 and there was only 1 2, as order is 3, so I need 3 same type of prime numbers. So 1 is available 2, I need to multiply 2 more, so this can be written as in total together cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. So on multiplying 2 into 2 into 2, I just can say this is what 2 2 2 3 times 2 cube, and 2 cubes cube root can be written as 2 cubes power 1 upon 3, can be written as 2 cube into 1 upon 3, 3 3 cancel. What answer comes as 2? So answer of this part is a rational number, and the correct and the simplest number which is required is what? Cube root of 2 into 2. So this value cube root of 2 into 2 is known as the simplest rationalizing factor, SRF. So SRF of cube root of 2 is what? Cube root of 4. Because when cube root of 2 is multiplied to cube root of 4 gives us 2. So we can say what is the number which when multiplied with this cube root of 2 is what? Cube root of 4. As I shown you here, this is cube root of 2. When it is multiplied by cube root of 4, what answer is coming? 2. That is a rational number. Hence, the simplest term required to multiply with a surd is known as the rationalizing factor. That's why it is simplest, first one, hence it's known as SRF. Simplest rationalizing factor of cube root of 2 is cube root of 4, and simplest rationalizing factor of cube root of 4 will be cube root of 2.